So hey guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. This is Ruin Gaming from server 773, and as you are seeing that we having Canyon Storm Battlefield in between, but we don't have any score or we can't do anything. There is a technical glitch, and we having like a fun picnic with our allies from Dawnbreakers and our opponents. You can see we having lots of fun scouting each other, making emotes, and we can't like attack anyone, as you can see, and we can't even capture any buildings. It says sorry, unknown error occurred, so we can't do anything. And as match ended, we got a second participation prize, and also my opponent got second prize as well, but it's showing like we lost and they won, and to them it's showing like we won and they lost. So I don't know what scam it's going on in last war. What's the technical error happening in last war, as not a single alliance or server have played this event today, as there is a technical glitch going on. And as you can see, we just getting some fun in here and nothing to do about this event, and they give us only participation rewards. I hope we'll get some good rewards for this error, as we'll get some extra few diamonds, and we'll get, I guess, better rewards if we like report this glitch to community center. And we have already reported this glitch. I also have recorded video, and I have got some screenshots and sent to the customer support. So let's see if they give us better rewards and correct the error in this Canyon Storm Battlefield. As you can see, all half hour gone, but we couldn't do anything but just emoting for making fun videos and just scouting each other like this. You can see we all gathered to one place and just having a blast of emotes and just scouting each other and poking each other. We can't do anything, right? So if this same error has happened with you, then make sure to comment and make sure to report to the community center in last war. Okay, customer support, contact them and tell them this error happened, and I hope they finish it.